7 benefits of going paperless in the office. Number 1, ROI. A paperless solution will almost immediately show you how much money and labor you are saving. Number 2, labor savings. The average office worker spends about 1 hour a month searching for and replacing files. Imagine how much time you'd have if you didn't have to search for another missing document again. Number 3, costs associated with printing. The cost of toner, ink, and maintenance all add up. In most organizations, going paperless saves more than $500 per person per year in just supplies alone. Number 4, storage costs. Filing cabinets take up a lot of space. With a paperless strategy, you can store millions of documents digitally, giving your office environment more breathable space. Number 5, lost and misplaced docs. On average, between 2 to 5% of organizations' files are lost or misplaced on any given day. With a paperless office, you don't have to worry about misplacing or losing a document. Number 6, improved doc security. An ECM solution tracks every single document. Going paperless adds a whole new level of accountability and document security that protects your business and clients. Number 7, improved customer service. Access the right information at the right time from anywhere. Give your staff more time to devote to your clients and serving their needs rather than tracking down documents. Hilliard Office Solutions is ready to help you set up an effective ECM solution. Become paperless. Contact us at 866-976-2679 to schedule your demo.